Let's see what Jerry and Albert are buying for their holiday. Looking good! We should work out how much money they'll need. Let's make a rough estimate by rounding the costs to the nearest pound. Albert's swimming trunks are £4.99. Because the amount ends in more than 50p, we round up to £5. His snorkel is £2.20, which means the amount ends in less than 50p, so we round down to £2. Albert's goggles are £3.50. Because £3.50 is exactly halfway between £3 and £4, we round up. In total, Jerry and Albert will need about £11 for their holiday shop. Don't forget though, if you're rounding down money to the nearest pound, you may need a little bit extra when you get to the tills. If you want a more accurate estimation, you can round to the nearest 50p. You can round £1.45 to £1.50. Just make sure you always keep your receipt.